What happened? Is it legal?
No, it's clean. It's clean. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's easy. I can call a supervisor. We're servicing baskets. You can't get it. If we're cleaning, it doesn't matter.
I call them, I call, I leave.
Okay.
I go. Call the police. Call the supervisor. Yeah, this is legal.
Naive. It's not illegal. It's not illegal.
No,
you're being naive. It's not illegal.
I'm parking
legally. It's not
legally.
illegal though. It's
What?
not illegal.
What?
You know what? We asked you. All I asked you just to move so we can service a basket.
No,
That's all
no, I
I'm
don't
asking
need
you.
service.
It's
I don't
okay.
need service.
It's fine.
I don't need service. I'm legally parked. So why you spread out of my car? They got your DNA right here. Yeah, I called it.
Whatever you gotta do.
Yeah, I called the police right now. I called them. Hi sir, yes, actually I'm parked illegal my car on third avenue. Just sanitizing now in my car and the police started my car. So can you say I was parked illegally on the street. Strict on me. Yes. It is Manhattan. Right now I am on 30th Street and 3rd Avenue. But I was parked on 29th Street between 30 East. Yeah, I want to make a complaint about that too.
Where is he now, sir?
Sorry?
Where is he now?
He is on this guy is a garbage truck, okay? And he's on 30th Street and going uptown on 3rd Avenue.
What's your name?
My name is Amir, A-A-M-I-R. Double A-M-I-R. And this truck number is 20.